amskater.
Alright, well it's time for an unboxing video. First package, some Josh Cats. Alright, well one of his shirts. Eat, sleep, skate, snake. I've thanked a few people in my time. He also sent a letter. Douglas, I hope you enjoy the shirt. I'm writing this on a graph paper in case you decided you want to write some graphs. Eat your breakfast. Best. Josh. Well, thank you, Josh. If you guys want to buy one of his shirts, go to the website and make an order. Time for the big box. This one's from Revive. Andy sent me a little drawing. Let's see. Thoughtful duck. Enjoy the goodies. Importantly, space. And he said, does camo or leopard or cheetah pants look like they'd be great for an only 1 foot back lip? And then Andy drew some camo pants on me, I guess, with my Angels hat and a Blackwood shirt. Thank you, Andy. What we got in here? Dress up grip tape, always crucial to have. We have new yellow Revive glasses. Look at the new shirt. The Revive, pretty dope. Some more stickers, always good to have. $8.125. Lifeline Black Deck. And the new graphic, also an 8.125. It's pretty good. I'll be getting this one next. Thank you, Andy and Brian at Revive. Little packing slip as well. Well, that's it. This unboxing is a wrap.